Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to be unboxing and assembling my new WEN drill press. So after looking at Lowe's, Home Depot, Harbor Freight, and Amazon, I decided to purchase the WEN 4214 12-inch drill press on Amazon. I know that this is a lower quality drill press compared to the top end models, however I do not need a top of the line drill press with built-in foot massaging and thermal imaging. This machine seemed to be of decent quality with decent reviews, and I see it as a great addition to the shop. Before assembling, I cleaned off all of the grease that was on the surfaces from packaging. The assembly was fairly simple, and I only needed the included instructions as an outline for the proper sequence. Here you can see me messing around with the table as I found it rather interesting how it worked. Here I'm showing you the differences in knobs. There's 3 of the larger ones on the left and one on the right. The 3 larger ones go on the spindle controller for the depth of your cut, and then the one on the right went on the belt tensioner. There was a little glob of paint that was in one of the screw holes covering the thread, so I just had to use a nail punch and a shop vac to get that out, but after that the screw went in flawlessly. And here I'm just giving it my first test shot. The laser lined up pretty accurately, no complaints with that. And there is also a light to illuminate your workpiece. Both of these options can be easily turned off with the rocker switches in the front panel. Here I'm showing off the laser. You can see it best on light colored wood. The table also has a little extension bar which can move out about maybe a foot, and that makes it so you can work on bigger pieces and have a little bit more support. Here's the RPM meter of how fast the spindle is moving. And then now I'm just making space for my new toy. As you can see, it's not all that difficult to move around with one person, but if you're not as strong, then I'd suggest having a helper. For OCD's sake, I centered it and also squared it up. And here's just a side-by-side comparison, the model on the left being the one that my dad grew up with, which is rather outdated, and then my new model. I'd have to say my only complaint thus far is that the LCD screen does not turn off when you turn the power off on the drill press. Thanks for watching.